Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a little update video. Hope everybody had a good holiday and a good new year. The new Q&A is now out as of today and as of this very minute. Um, Same rules as always. List your questions in the comment section below on this video, and the responses will be released on January the 31st. You have until midnight, January the 30th, to post your questions, and I will get some answers together, and I will be providing you with some answers. I enjoy doing this every year, so this is the first Q&A of 2019. Had some really good ones last year, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you for some other questions that you may have. It can be anything. For example, one of my subscribers, I'm not going to give the name out, asked my favorite locomotive and favorite horn. That's always been a good one. You can even throw out some odd and end questions if you want, and I'm just giving you all a couple of ideas. So that's something I would think about. So and the reason why I do these for why I extend this video is because so I can give you guys some time to think about your questions. Another good example would be, what's one of your favorite catches that you've seen? What's the rarest catch you've seen? Uh, uh, if you had to choose one state, where would you rail fan at? Questions like that. So I would definitely recommend some of those suggestions there. So these are just some suggestions. You don't have to take them, but that's just something I encourage all of you to take into consideration. So anyway, once again, new Q&A is out. You have until midnight, January the 30th, to submit your questions, and I will provide answers on January the 31st. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I would thank you guys for watching.